My name's Richard. I've been with WeightLoss Solutions about 5.5 years now. I had my gastric sleeve surgery back in March 5 years ago. I've lost approximately 100 kilo. 5.5 years down the track, still managing to keep it off, and everything's well. This is my 4th time with the Gold Coast Airport Marathon. Felicity and the team do a fantastic job of organising this for us every year. We have a lot of fun, training, everything else, and yeah, unfortunately it's a little bit damp right now today, but we've had another good race day today. It's all part of being part of the team, part of the family of WeightLoss Solutions. They're always there supporting us all the time. We're going to attend lots of sessions, lots of meetings. You've got the team with the nurses, the dietitians, the psychologists, Felicity. Everyone is there to help and support us the whole way down the track. It's a really good community. Some of us have made friends about us, some we keep in touch because we're all Gold Coast locals, so we come across each other everywhere all the time. I'm in my mid-60s now, so I'm hoping to be able to continue on participating in all the events, especially the Gold Coast Airport Marathon every year for as long as I can, as long as they keep taking me.